I just went to go ask my mum that a question, and she said, I bet you don't have, well, I don't really do these videos, but I just stopped doing them, so I could say to do something, because she loves squishies too. And she said, I bet you don't have 9 near texture squishies. 9. Okay, let's go find it out. Find out if I do in here. So I definitely have one of my animals. 1 jellyfish needle. 2 this capybara. 3 and 4. 4 in animals. I definitely have one because I'm going somewhere, and I was gonna bring this one, my pink Neo. I definitely have one. How much is that? 5. Any more needed texture ones I have? Maybe we can check in here. 6. Sorry, I forgot the number for a second. 7. 7. 8. I didn't want to say 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I got 9 Nero texture squishies. I got my Nido, my apple squishy, my pink Nido, my jellyfish Nido, my capybara, my bear, my duck. It's like a little ball, whatever it's called. Ew, there's a piece of hair in it. Ew. And this hot one. I don't know all the yellow stuff on me. I was making squishies. I was drawing squishies, and I made these. So yeah, bye guys. Who should ask next?